Gare FC noloyo tim mar KCB FC points padeko dario kuom 20 kendo loyo kombe mar Enterprise Cup e lap mar RFUE grounds ka loch mar Kabras en mar adek kaluore. Josukari ma Kabras nochako tugo maber kendo yudo try mokwongo kokalo kuom jatugo Humphrey Asligwa kapok Ntabeni Dukisa medo points kokalo kuom conversion gi opich achoma ka odoko ne ja bengi ma KCB noyudo points 6 kokalo kuom jatugo Elvis na Musasi. Kabras no dhi nyime gi manyo points tok jotugo wuok e yweyo ka jatugo Dukisa no medo Kabras try machielo. KCB noyudo try machielo kokalo kuom jatugo Shaban Ahmed kapod ka Kabras medo points kokalo kuom jatugo James Olela. Mano omiyo gi loch mar points 3-2 kuom 20.
Enterprise Cup champions! Kabras!
I think one of the most important parts, we played in the right areas and we made bad mistakes in the right areas and we defended like Trojans. You know, our boys threw everything at it on the defense line. We studied them very hard, knowingly what they will do, and actually they played.
We've had a good season. We've been finalists. We won floodlights, and I feel the boys are really working hard. We just need to change a few things here and there, and for the game today, we just needed to make use of our key moments. We didn't have a proper use of our key moments.